Hey, hi, hello, my dear students and learners. Welcome to my channel, My Master SNS. Today we are going to learn about BODMAS. BODMAS. What is this BODMAS rule? We will discuss in detail. Okay, let's get started. BODMAS. B for bracket. There are types of brackets. We say square brackets, flower brackets, small brackets. Okay, I have drawn this in an order actually. First we solve this, then second, then big brackets or square brackets. Okay, and we will take an example and we will do it. It will be more clear for you. Order or off. In some questions we find off. For example, what is 1/3 of 45? When you find this off, you have to multiply that. It means 1/3 into 45. 3 ones are 3, 15s are. So the result is 15. So 1/3 part of 45 is 15. So this is the meaning of the question. Okay. So let us continue this. Of or order. Order means it can be exponent. What do you mean by exponent? Any power, x square or root x. Okay, any power, any exponent terms are there. First you have to solve them. Okay, first you have to consider solving the bracket things. In the brackets also you have to look for small bracket, next flower bracket, next third bracket is square bracket, and you have to go for off or exponent terms. Okay, next coming to division. You know what is division? Okay, let me take 5 by 25 by 5. Okay, or 25 divided by 5. Okay, how you do the division? 5, 25, quotient. What will be the quotient? 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 0. So this is called division. Okay, next coming to multiplication. In my previous video also I explained you what is multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. If I say 3 into 8, okay, you are adding 3 8 times or 8 3 times. So it will result in 24. So it generally the symbols of division are this or slash. It will be like oblique, or it will be like dash also. Okay. Next, the multiplication symbols are like into or dot. Sometimes it will be like a into b. We write like a dot b. It is nothing but a into b only. Okay. And sometimes in system or computers we see it as a star mark, small star mark for multiplication. Clear? Good. Good going. Next coming to addition. What is addition? Addition means counting. Okay, I have told you the story of a early man, like how the addition has started. He started counting the stones. Okay, so addition is nothing but counting. If I say there are five objects on this table, okay, how did I get this 5? When I count each and every object, 1 2 3 4, okay, total it is 5 objects. So addition is nothing but counting. Okay, so this is basically written in terms of plus only. Okay, usually we use only one indication. Subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means you are deleting some amount from bigger amount. Okay, I will tell you good example for that also. Okay, like removing or You can also trimming also we say, okay, in different terms, okay, in this way, okay, right. Now let me explain you how to do this plus and minus, okay, plus and minus. See, plus minus, these two are very important factors when doing the calculations, okay. If I write minus 25 plus 25 minus 30, if I write minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 8 plus 6, okay. So dear students, don't get confused with this minus and plus. Those are not at all aliens from other planet. Those are really our friends. We really do it in our daily life, okay. Let me say how. If I say 5 minus 4, listen properly. If I say minus and there is 5, it means there is some positive symbol before 5, okay. One of my masters taught me this when I was in 12-13 age, okay. When I got confused with this positive and negative at the age of 12-13, one of my masters taught this, that the same concept I am trying to tell you. So when it is minus, it means you have to give this minus to someone. It's like a debt. Plus means this is the amount you have with you, okay. The amount which you have, see, this is you. The amount which you have is positive. The amount to whom you have to give, this is negative, okay. So you have to give 4 rupees to someone. You have 5 rupees. If you give back that 4 rupees, you will have 1 rupee. So it is positive, okay. Let me take another number. You have 25 rupees, but you have to give 35 rupees to someone, okay. So after giving 25 rupees, you give 25 rupees to this fellow. Again, still you have to give 10 rupees to him. So it is negative. So it is negative, minus 10. Understood, dear students? So positive is you have and negative is to give, okay. So now let us discuss about the multiplication of this positive and negative. It means plus minus into minus into plus, plus into plus, minus into minus, okay. So plus into minus, positive into negative number will result always negative. Minus into plus will give negative. Plus into plus will give always positive. Minus into minus will also give always positive, okay. Good going. Let me explain you one problem, okay. We will just understand how to do this problem, okay. 64 minus 12 plus 13 divided by 3 plus 15. Okay, let me solve this. Okay, see here. First, according to BODMAS, let us solve the brackets. First, small bracket as we discussed. 64 minus 12 plus 13 is 25. Next, solve the flower bracket or curved bracket, whatever you say. 64 minus 25, 39. Why here plus 39? Why not minus 39? Because 25 negative, this 25 you have to give to someone. You have 64 rupees. Okay, so that's the reason it is plus 39 divided by 3 plus 15. You may think, sir, here minus is there, here division is there, but according to BODMAS we have to do division first. But here bracket is there. First let us complete the bracket. Okay, 39 divided by 3. How much? 3 1s are 3 3s are plus 15. Now bracket is gone. 13 plus 15, 5 plus 3, 8, 2. 28. Okay, cool. So in this way you can solve the operations in a sequence. Okay. So dear students, one thing you have to remember while doing BODMAS, multiplication, division of bracket, these two be done in order only. But for addition and subtraction, like 25 plus 13 minus 12, for addition and subtraction you can do in any order. Either you can do this both first, or these both first, or these both first. Anything is fine. Okay, hope you understood and we shared a good knowledge. Let's rock the math.